Okay, y'all. It's closing day. Not closing day, but we closed yesterday on the beach house. I'm heading there right now. Scott's at work. I'm putting it in my GPS if you wonder what's happening. I've got Coco here with me. She was complaining quite loudly, but she's okay. Here she is. Can you say hey, Coco? Are you okay in there? Yeah, I know.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
I'm super excited. Scott left at 5 this morning to go to work. His truck is loaded. I mean, the people in the neighborhood, it's sort of a neighborhood. It's got real big lots. They're going to think the Beverly Hillbillies have moved in. They're going to be so upset. Anyway, okay, well, I'm off on the adventure. I feel kind of scattered in this already. I feel scattered. Okay, here is going to be the empty house tour. I'm standing at the front door. I'll do an outside tour next time. But when you walk in the front door, over here is a dining area. Of course, we're going to have our regular table and chairs, and I've got some things that go there. If you see blue notes, that's just notes of what I'm going to put where. I was kind of trying to decide. So, and I have a new chandelier, or not chandelier, I have a light that goes over, that will go over this, that I had in my townhome, if y'all can remember. It was so beautiful. So it's going to go there, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. Okay. Okay, so this is the dining area. And then there's the porch. We'll see that later. Here's the living room area. Now, of course, that's the blow-up bed. I mean, y'all, that Scott and I have been sleeping on. It's crazy. And we have our little lamp and my cardboard box table and everything over there. And then a big fireplace with a cat bed. And of course, we've got our satellite TV in. It's hot. Let me turn on the fan. We've got our satellite TV in already, and there's the box. So we have to, you know, I'm gonna have a couple chairs here and a middle table, a big couch here that we've already ordered. It's a queen sleeper sofa. I'm gonna have a chair there. Everything's gonna fit. I have another idea for a coffee table. So that's the living area. And then let me get, well, over here is a side door. That's actually kind of the back door. And this is a big closet. You know, tons of storage, and that's just my purse and everything. And over here, I have the kitchen. It is so amazing, y'all. I love this kitchen so much. This is my pantry. It's got all pull-out drawers in there, very nice, lined. I'll show you all that when I organize the pantry. Brand new dishwasher, although I don't know why she got stainless steel when she's got white and white. So that's just a quirk of the beach house, right? Love, love the island. These are huge pot, you know, pot-sized drawer. You know, you could put skillets, pots and pans, whatever in these drawers. They're huge. And then these are really wide drawers, kind of like I had in Houston, the real wide ones and deep ones. Love it. I like the granite. There's power actually on the other side. So loving this big island. It's got, it sticks out enough to sit underneath it. Right now that's where the Keurig is. Kitchen sink is original to the house. The sink part, I probably will exchange, redo that with a white sink, but I'm not sure. Under the sink, another drawer. That is two pull-out garbage cans like I had at the townhome. So excited about that. We have enjoyed this stove. And this is the first thing I bought after we've signed the papers to purchase the home. 6 weeks ago, I bought this sea turtle dish towel. I think it's so cute. Right here, we have one of those giant corner cabinets that goes way back, and we have a matching one here that goes way back. Amazing. Here I have a skinny spice type cabinet and another skinny cabinet. Not sure what I'm going to do with those. Oh, and this is one of those tray, you know, where you can keep tall things and tray, and I guess that's, and Coco has never gotten on the counters at the old house, and I'm so annoyed. Anyway, we have under the counter, I know where she's headed. Coco, go away. Go where you're headed. I know where she's going, and I'll show y'all in a minute. Go ahead. Big cabinets over there. Another skinny I already showed you that. Over the fridge cabinet, nice and large. We are in love with this fridge. It is amazing. It's actually better than the one I had to give up when we left the townhome, and I was so upset because I couldn't bring it to the apartment. And then this is just an empty space. I'm going to put the cutest table and a big mirror that will reflect the outside. And then over here, this is a little sneak peek. Of course, I'm painting everything in this house. Every wall, door, everything is going to get a fresh coat of paint. That is a little office. I call it the Harry Potter office, but it is so cute. And my chandelier, my what's it called? My crystal chandelier that I had in my office in Houston is going to go in there. And it's going to just, and I don't know what color I'm going to paint it. I can't wait. Okay, here is the guest bathroom. It's really cute. Of course, I haven't done anything with it. I might get a different mirror. I love the light fixture. It's really pretty. The color is not going to stay. Probably, I don't know what color I'm going to do. She left this cute shower curtain, but I'm not keeping it. Of course, I'm going to make it white. It's got a really nice tub and shower. And then this is one of those details that I just love. It's a little like window. And let me show you how it looks from the back. Oh, and this is the sink. And it's got these little, I put this on Instagram. It's got these little sea turtles on it. And here is like a soap dish, but who uses bar soap anymore? So I'm gonna put in there, I'm gonna put a little spoon, and I'm gonna put sea salt scrub for your hands, you know, that make your hands super soft. So I thought that would be fun to have there for guests. And then when you shut the door in the hall, you can see the coral color. Of course, it's going to be different, but I asked the owner, what is that? Why, you know, I thought it was kind of original to the house. And she said, because there's no window in that bathroom and I can't stand not to have a window. So I thought that was cute. Okay, now we're in the guest bedroom. It's small, but we've measured. We have 2 end tables. A queen size bed will fit fine. The window has a shade. Now, what I'm planning on doing, y'all, is taking that door totally off. And that's the closet. And I'm going to do something really cute, like a curtain or, I don't know. People, please give me ideas. Because if that door has to open, it just uses up too much floor space. Because if that was just a curtain and you could just open it to go into the closet, the pack and play for the new baby could fit easily right there. And you could still get into the closet. So that door is going here to the master bedroom. We have it, everything looks so small, y'all, but everything fits. We've measured. You know, we have measured, trust me. So here's the master bedroom, and it's back like this, and there's the bathroom and a closet there. So the bed will go there, and then over here is a little cubby. The TV's probably gonna go on the wall, and then I might put a real comfy chair there and a little ottoman or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that little nook, but something fun. In here is a big laundry room. It's got junk in it right now, so I'm not going to show you, but that is going to be something that I'm going to transform. So before I transform it and paint everything, I will show it to you. And then in here is the bathroom. I love this bathroom. I was going to leave this color, but I just don't think so. Eventually, I have something really cute to go in that cubby for storage, but really, Y'all, Scott and I each have plenty of storage because I am just going to the bare bones with makeup and all that stuff. Our plan eventually is to take that wall down and make that shower like all the way across, and you just walk in, no door, and you just walk in like that. We have these little hooks where we don't have anything to hang our towels to dry on the door yet, so we just have these hooks that were already there. And this is a shade, you know, if you're in here and you don't, nobody's out there, it's all woods, so I don't think anybody's gonna see. Now this is the thing that I couldn't wait to show y'all, and this is where the owner had a Mermaid stained glass window, and it was my favorite thing about the house, and I thought it was the window. But what it was an art piece, and it was inside this little, where is it? Right here. It was inside this lip, but it fit perfectly. And so, of course, she took it because it wasn't affixed to the home, but oh my gosh, she told me it had 400 pieces of stained glass in it. She had designed it herself and had someone make it. So Scott told me that he would absolutely have one made for me. We're going to design it ourselves, and yeah. So that. Anyway, I've met the owner. She's super cool, or the past owner. She's super cool. She lives right behind us now. And so that's the end of the house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Scott and I mean, Scott went home yesterday, and he said that it felt good to be back in the apartment because our stuff was there, but he said it already feels different. This already feels home, y'all. We are so happy. So I hope you enjoy this house tour, and I cannot wait for the transformation, and I will take you along. Okay, here's morning time on the front porch. We have a pineapple shadow. And the porch goes this way, and that's a fountain I'm going to fix all up cute. And I'm going to have a table there too. I'm not sure exactly. And then this is just a mess. Scott and I we've been moving the chairs around this morning and putting our feet in them, but I'm going to have really cute. This is going to be cute. Don't worry. So anyway, there is the front porch in the morning. Okay.
You are the life that I dream of. Don't you know it's true? Fill every thought that I have, love, lost in my thoughts of you. I see your face in the raindrops, memories in my soul. I hear your voice in the wind,